Immerse in wisdom today with a dash of Steve Jobs' brilliance. This trailblazer once said, "Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower." Indeed, it's in the act of creating, not conforming, where true leadership lies. Jobs also affirmed, "The only way to do great work is to love what you do." Passion fuels excellence, and excellence creates impact. Perhaps his most profound thought was, "Remembering that you are going to die is the best way I know to avoid the trap of thinking you have something to lose." In the face of mortality, fear of failure loses its grip. Finally, Jobs urged, "Stay hungry, stay foolish." A constant appetite for knowledge and the audacity to take risks are the key ingredients to a recipe for success. Remember, it's through embracing these insights that we can truly transform our world. Loop this short to let these powerful words resonate. Refresh your perspective with the wisdom of Steve Jobs.